Kate, can you spin in a circle? Awesome. Kate, can you spin in a circle? Let me see. Let me see you spinning in a circle. Good job! Kate, can you blow a kiss? Can you blow a kiss? Let me see. A blow a kiss? Or are you gonna lay down and take a nap? What's she doing? Can you put it on your head? Can you put it on your head? Put it on your head. There you go. Can you blow a kiss? Good job. Good job. Hey, how old are you? How old? 1. Very good. Good job. How big are you? So big. Uh-oh. Okay. Can you wave to Grandma Kay? Good job. Okay, bye.